In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Genial Investimentos to Tradingview. To follow along, make sure you already have a Tradingview account and access to your Genial Investimentos login details. We're going to walk through everything step by step, so even if you're new to Tradingview, you'll be able to get this done without any trouble. First, open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can type the address directly into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, log into your Tradingview account if you aren't already. Having an account and being signed in is important because you won't be able to connect a broker from a logged out session. After you're signed in, look for the Supercharts section. This is often labeled as Chart, Full Featured Chart, or Supercharts, depending on the interface version you're using. Click on it to open the main charting screen. This is where you'll do most of your analysis, and once we're done, where you'll place trades using Genial Investimentos. When the chart page opens, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You should see a tab called Trading Panel. If it's collapsed or minimized, just click on it to expand the panel. The Trading Panel is the area where Tradingview lets you connect to different brokers and trading platforms so you can trade directly from the chart. Inside the Trading Panel, you'll see a few broker options right away. To view the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This will open a complete list of all the supported brokers and partners you can connect to from Tradingview. Now, in that list, use the search bar or scroll down until you find Genial Investimentos. Typing the name into the search box is usually the fastest way to locate it. Make sure you click the correct broker and not something that just looks similar in name. Once you see Genial Investimentos, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a login window or redirect you to a secure page where you can sign in with your Genial Investimentos credentials. Carefully enter your information, confirm any security checks, and then authorize the connection if prompted. After a successful login, your Genial Investimentos account will be linked to Tradingview, and you'll be able to place orders and manage trades directly from your charts.